dear folks, I'm Sia for Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2012 Hyundai Elantra Smart Key.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in the OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Find Hyundai. Select from vehicle, China. Select Elantra, MDC. Choose after 2012. Program smart key. Type 1, no card slot. The first step is to read PIN code. Select OBD to read and click OK. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver's door once and turn on 2 flashing lights. Click OK. Read PIN code successfully. Step 2. Select Program Smart Key. Please press the Start button. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver's door once and turn on 2 flashing lights. OK. Start adding keys. Click OK. Automatically entering the PIN code. Follow the prompts. The program is successful, whether it programs the next one. OK. Another key, also operate in the same way. Program complete. Key quantity 2. Now, let's see if the keys work. New key, step on clutch. Press the start button. New key to start car successfully. The original car key. Step on the clutch and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key to lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2012 Hyundai Elantra. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.